I've been having some problems with keeping things up. I crank and crank and crank on it. I still can't keep it where I need it. Oh no. People say it's okay. I know it's not. I need a solution.
This go around, I really wanted to use stuff I had on hand and not just run out and buy something. I dug around my old boxes and I found this old laptop stand. Now I just needed to modify it. First I grabbed some old pipe and cleaned it the only way I really know how. When I finished thoroughly cleaning it, I took a nap. In order to make things bigger and longer, you have to paint them black. I then twisted my ball ends onto them and got to clamping. I had most of the parts on hand, but I did have to buy a ball head for a DSLR and a ball head quick release. Once I screwed all those together, screwed a ball head to my ceiling, put a clamp on there, put a clamp on the other end, put the quick release on the bottom of my camera, and slapped my camera inside the quick release that I bought. Now I'm ready to go.
Now I can do really cool shots like this one. Woo! That is why you use a push stick. This week's video is all about using leftover stuff from your shop to get things done. Feels good sometimes to use junk that you have laying around already instead of going out and buying new things. So look around your shop before you go running out to the hardware store to buy stuff. You might have the solution there already. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, don't forget to use this. Now, remember, I have a lot of fun in the shop, but it's really important to stay safe. Use your safety gear. Oh, it's loud. You hear that? Selfie time.